Bonjour, Talaman! So, welcome to my vlog. And today's video, guys, we are going to Alberta, Calgary. Yes, andito nga ako sa airport na. And yung asawa ko ay nauna na doon sa Alberta. At ako ay susunod sa kanya. Ayan nga, ay hinahanap ko na lang ang aking gate. Kung saan bang gate ako. Pero syempre, habang naglalakad tayo, inaayos ko yung aking buhok at ang aking cap. So, I'm so excited to see my husband. And, ayan na nga, nandito na ako sa aking boarding gate. So, after 1 hour of waiting, boarding na kami, guys. And I'm so excited. It's my first time in Alberta, Calgary. And, first time na rin tayo dito sumakay sa ating Air Canada. Alright, let's go! Finally, we're here in Alberta, Calgary. So, welcome. And I'm here in the airport, guys. So, medyo nalito lang ako sa airport nila. Pero, I managed. Ito na ating sundo. My husband. And aking daddy, David. And driver is Mommy Hermie. Thank you po sa pag-drive, Mommy and Daddy. Love you po, Mommy and Daddy. And share ko lang, guys, na si Mommy and Daddy Hermie, Daddy David and Mama Hermie, they're not my biological parents. Pero para ko na rin silang mga magulang kasi the way they show their love to me and to my husband and the way yung support nila sa amin is super blessed po para sa amin at saka sa kanila din. And ngayon, pupunta kami sa bahay nila. And alam niyo, guys, yung bahay nila ay merong Airbnb and the rate is 5-star. Yes. How very beautiful is their house. Very clean. Sobrang galing ni Mommy Hermie mag-alaga ng house. And ayan na nga, after namin mag-dinner and mag-visit kila Mommy and Daddy, ngayon ay pupunta naman kami sa hotel kung saan nakatraining yung asawa ko. So, pa-allowed naman na mag-stay yung wife as long na hindi ka maingay, hindi ka nakaka-disturb sa training ng asawa mo. Okay lang yun, guys. So, ayan, we're done for today. So, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And thank you for support. And always take care, guys. God bless you. And ciao. Bye-bye.